Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make tea. Tea is a bad hot drink that is usually made out of water and leaves or beans, but you can make tea out of almost anything your heart desires. For this video, we'll be demonstrating how to make tea that's very popular with young and olds alike, banana tea. First, start by snipping the tips off your bananas. These are quite dangerous and bad for you and should be discarded. Do not get them mixed up with your tea fixins. Next, just keep on snipping until the banana is all gone. Then, take your snipped chunks and toss them into any ratty old jar you've got lying around. I'm using a jar that used to contain bumblebee larvae because that's what my family and I eat, so that's what I had available. Next, get yourself some water. If you're like me and haven't got running water in your home, feel free to gather some from a stream or babbling brook or just your neighbor's kitchen if they're not home. Dump that water on your snipped bits and wait. After a certain number of days, you'll have yourself some truly delicious tea.